Hey guys, welcome back to Maikao's recipes. In this episode, I will be showing you guys how to make Fawm Kauv, also known as steamed rice rolls. The rolls are made with a flour-based batter and are filled with pork fillings. Usually this dish is made in a steamer, but today I will be showing you guys how to make it in a pan. Heat your non-stick pan over medium-high heat and thinly coat the bottom of the pan. Cover the pan and let the batter cook until it becomes translucent. Flip the pan onto a tray and let the steamed rice roll fall down. Fill your pan again with the batter and let it cook. While your batter continues to cook in the pan, take your pork fillings and spread it over the steamed rice roll. Fold the ends and roll the steamed rice roll until the pork is completely covered. Place your rolls on a plate and set it aside. Continue cooking and rolling until you have finished. The dipping sauce I am making today is a super light and refreshing sauce. It goes perfectly well with the steamed rice rolls. But you can always go with whatever sauce you like. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's episode. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you do give this recipe a try, let me know how you like it down below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. See you next time.